So today we're going to be talking about least common multiple versus greatest common factor. This is something that students usually get tripped up on, and because of that, I kind of created my own definitions that usually help me and also usually help my students. It may not be the most math-infused definition, but it helps. So when we're looking at least common multiple, we're thinking multiples of that number or counting up. So like in the first example, we have 12. So we're going to go 12 times 1, 12 times 2, 12 times 3, 12 times 4. So we're going to be counting up. And for greatest common factor, we're going to be dividing that number evenly, and we're looking for no remainder. So again, 12 divided by 1, 12 divided by 2, 12 divided by 3. But we want to only select the numbers that are even. So we're looking for no remainder, and we're going to be breaking that number down. So why don't we go ahead and just jump on in. So again, if we're going to be counting up, we're looking at our multiples of 12, 12, 24, 36, 48, because 12 times 1, 12 times 2, 12 times 3, 12 times 4, etc., etc. And now we're looking for the least common multiple. So we're looking for the smallest number that they have in common. So when I do my 18s, I actually don't have to go that far. I have 18, and then I have 36. What number do I immediately see that they have in common? 36. So I know my least common multiple between 12 and 18 is 36. Easy enough, right? And then now if we go into GCF, we're going to be dividing the number. Now, I like to do mine in factor pairs. Like I said, we're dividing the number and making sure that it's even. So we only want the numbers that make it even. So we're going to do 1 and 12, because I know 12 divided by 1 gets me 12. We got 2 and 6. 12 divided by 6 gets me 2. Then we have 3 and 4. 12 divided by 4 gets me 3. And then for 18, we're going to do the same thing. So we got 1 and we got 18. We got 2 and we got 9. We have 3 and what is it, 6? Right. So now we're looking for the greatest common factor. So we're looking for the largest number that both of these have in common, right? So we see that they have a 1 in common, but it's not the largest. 2, it's not the largest. 3 is not the largest. And then we have 6. 6 is the largest number that they both have in common. So my greatest common factor between 12 and 18 would be 6. Easy enough, right? So let's go ahead and jump in on this other side. Same thing. If we're looking for multiples, we're going to be counting up. Least common multiple. So we're counting up. So we got 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. And then with my 20s, again, I don't have to go that far. 20, 40. 40 looks like the smallest number that they both have in common. Least common multiple. So 40 it is. Now, same thing. Let's write our 8 and 20. So we're going to be doing our factor pairs again. So we're going to do 1 and 8. We have 2 and we have 4. And then for 20, we have 1, 20, 2, 10, 4, and 5. So again, we're looking for the greatest common factor. So we're looking for the largest number that they have in common. And obviously that is going to be 4. So I hope I brought some peace to your chaos in regards to GCF and LCM. And now I have a challenge for you. So if I were to give you the numbers 9 and 12, could you find the GCF? And could you find the LCM? Drop your answers down in the comments, and thank you for watching.